Yes, welcome to the class, student. Today we are going to discuss about third part 3. Here planes and lines. Okay, 3D third part planes and lines we are going to discuss. Now you see here first theory about planes. See here, this is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, general equation of the plane. Okay, this is what ABC are normal to the plane. Okay, these are what normal to the plane. Now the next one is, suppose if you want to find the equation of the plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and having drs of normal ABC, then you can use this as a formula: x minus x1 b y minus y1 c z minus z1 equal to 0. Another one here, suppose a plane is passing through 3 points ABC, x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3, then you can go with this one: x minus x1 x2 minus x1 y x3 minus x1, y minus y1 y2 minus y1 y3 minus y1. Okay, z minus z1 z minus z2 z2 minus z1 z3 minus z1 equal to 0. By using this you can write. Another one, intercept form. Okay, what is that? Intercept form. Okay, form of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Okay, normal form of the plane, that is lx plus my plus nz is equal to some p. P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line and lmn are DCs. Please remember. Now we'll move on to the next one. Suppose, okay, now you see here a point is given x1 y1 z1 p and the plane equation is given ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Here we can find three things now. One is we can find perpendicular distance. What is that? Perpendicular distance. Okay, distance from P to 1, say 1 it is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Like this we can find. Second point we can find here, point and plane is given, means three possibilities are there. One is this. The other one is we can find foot of perpendicular. Say this is HKL. So we have the formula h minus x1 by L A, k minus y1 by B, L minus z1 by C is equal to minus ax1 by1 cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square, sir. Please remember, like this. Another one is also possible. What is that? Some r x y z, same as it is. R if it is image. What I mean to say, that image. Here image also same formula, sir, but slight change is there between foot of perpendicular and image, that is 2, sir. ax1 plus by1 cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. So one point, one plane is given, means we can find any one of, he can ask any one of the question, either perpendicular distance, other foot of perpendicular, or it may be image. He can ask any one of the question. We can do like this, sir. By using this as a formulas we can do. Now suppose, see here two planes are given. What is that? a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to z1z plus d equal to 0 is one plane. a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0 in another plane. Two planes are given, means what type of question they'll ask? There is a possibility to ask like this, sir. if they are parallel, okay, these two planes are parallel, then what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Second one is if they are perpendicular, then condition is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0, sir. Third condition is, you see here, suppose planes are given like this, rough diagram, this is normal and this is normal. So if anybody asks you that angle between the planes, angle between the planes is nothing but, you can say that angle between the normals, sir. That's why cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by sigma under root sigma A1 square under root sigma A2 square, we can say. And fourth one, suppose if they ask you like this, one plane is this, the other plane is this one. One more plane we can draw in this way, guys. You see this? This is another plane. Okay, this is another plane. This is pi 1, this is pi 2. Right, this is the point of intersection of the plane, point of intersection, or you can say that line of intersection. Okay, intersection of the plane is pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 equal to 0 also, you can say. And fourth point after this, fifth one, you see here, suppose you go for d1 d2 greater than 0. Another case is like this, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is positive. Then you can get here acute angle bisector is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 divided by under root of a1 square. Okay, here plus positive is there, plus you write. So a1x, a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 divided by root sigma a2 square. So sigma a2 square, sir, sigma a2 square is equal to 0. This is what next, obtuse. Now obtuse angle means you will get same as it is minus, sir. This is case 1, and the case 2 is, suppose if you have like this, b1 b2 c1 c2 is less than 0, then case 2 it is, so acute angle bisector is, right, acute angle bisector is, you can write like this, a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 by, this is nothing but same, a square plus b1 square plus c1 square. Here negative is there, na, minus you have to write, and it is 0. Obtuse, quite opposite, obtuse is same as it is, but it is plus, this is. So two planes are given means we have 5 different points, right? Two planes are given, 5 different points we have, right? Now come down to the next one. What is that? Lines relatedly, right? We have several points here, one by one. Theory first I would like to discuss, then we'll go for the problems. Now related to planes, some points I discuss here, some point I discuss here. Now you see, suppose 1 or 2 questions I would like to take here. First one, examples I would like to take. The intercept of the plane, suppose the intercept of the plane, if we said 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 12 on the coordinate axis. Okay, if they said like this, x by 6 divide with 12, this equation divide with 12, x by 6, y by minus 4, z by 3 is equal to 1. This is x intercept. Intercept is 6, y intercept is minus 4, z intercept is 3, sir. Like this we can do here. Now the question is, next one. If anybody asks you that, the question in this way, the length of the, the length of projection, the length of projection of the line segment, length of the line, projection of the line segment joining the points 1 0 minus 1 and here minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1, 2, 2 on the plane, if they said like this, and x plus 3y minus 5z is equal to 6, okay, is equal to dash. So very simple, there is a plane, point may be like this, might be, so you better take down foot of perpendicular, sir. If it is PQ, the images are, this is what, foot of perpendicular of P, foot of perpendicular of Q, okay, this is say P dash and Q dash here, right. So he said that projection means P dash Q dash you have to find. So now you see here I am using that foot of perpendicular formula, I am using here, h minus 1 by 1, k minus 0 by 3, okay, and L plus 1 by minus 5 is equal to foot of perpendicular only, just you substitute this point, 1 plus 0 minus of minus plus minus 6 divided by 1 plus 9 plus 25, sir. Right, this is, so h minus 1 by 1, k by 3, L plus 1 by minus 5, and whereas here you are getting what, sir, you see this, see I substituted 1, 0 and minus 1 I substituted, so that it is 0, we are getting got 0. So point is 1, 0, minus 1, you got it. If it is 0, what is that? We will get like this. Another foot of perpendicular of this one will find, h plus 1 by 1 plus is equal to k minus 2 by 3 and L minus 2 by minus 5 minus of, again you substitute here, minus 1 plus 6 minus 10, sir, minus 6, okay, minus 10 minus 6 divided by here 1 plus 9 plus 25. Sir, you see this and this gone. What we have? H plus 1 by 1, k minus 2 by 3, L minus 2 by minus 5. You see here minus 11 and 11. 11 divided by, this is what, Nana? You see this? 35. 11 divided by 35 we have. And the previous one, it is very clear when you substitute 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 1 here, 0, 1 and 0 minus of minus, it is plus 5 and minus 6 is there, that's why gone. Here when you substitute here minus 1, okay, minus 1 plus 6, minus 2 and minus 10 and minus 6, 6 plus 6 gone, it is like this. Therefore, what we have here 11 by, and in the denominator what we have, 1 plus 9 plus 25, 1 plus 9 plus 25 we have, like this we got it. Here one point we will get, h value is 11 minus 11 by 35 minus 1, k value is 33 by 35 plus 2, and L value is here minus 55 by 35 plus 2, sir. You got it, 2 points. Here see here HKL in this case HKL 35 minus 11 minus 24 divided by 35, and here 35 2s are 70, 70 plus this 103 by 35, right, and the next one is 70, in from 70 55 if you remove, you will have what, 15, 70 and 55, sir. So you will have 15 by 35. Just you find the distance between these two, that itself is your answer. This is what your P dash and this is Q dash. Find P dash Q dash by using formula. Very simple. What is that? Under root of 1 plus 24 by 25 whole square. Next 0 minus 103 by 35 whole square, right, plus the next one minus 1 minus 15 by 35 whole square. Simplify, you will get the answer, sir, like this, right. Okay, we will move on to the next. Okay, we will move on to the next, sir. So now he may ask you like this, if the distance between the parallel planes means same, minus d1 d2, you can write that directly, you will get the answer. Okay, you see here, next one, third one is the equation of the plane through the line of intersection. Line of intersection of the planes. What are the planes here? X minus 2y plus 3z minus 1 equal to 0. Another one is 2x plus y plus z is minus 2 equal to 0. And the point 1, 2, 3. Same as it is, sir. One plane is this, another plane is this one. Right? They might have given like this, sir. So this is pi 1 is given, pi 2 is given. You are supposed to find this plane, but it is passing through which point? That point. So what I said is to you that lambda pi 2 is equal to 0, I said. Huh? So x minus 2y plus 3z minus 1 plus lambda, here 2x plus y minus z minus 2 plus z minus 2 equal to 0. What do you have to substitute? 1, 2, 3 in this, sir. 1 minus 4 plus 9 minus 1 plus lambda, here 2 plus 2 plus 3 minus 2 equal to 0. This is gone and 1 gone. Here it is 5 plus lambda into this is 5 equal to 0. Lambda is equal to minus 1, we got it. That lambda you substitute here. X minus 2y plus 3z minus 1 minus 2x minus 5 minus z plus 2, sir. You see that from 1 substitute lambda in 1. I got it like this. So minus x minus 3y plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0, or finally x plus 3y minus 2z minus 1 equal to 0 is the answer, sir. Okay, like this. Now we'll move on to the next one. We'll move on to the next one. Next one is here. Just now we did it, foot of perpendicular. Suppose if anybody asks you like this, what is that? This is a wonderful question, is there? One question. Let us do this one. Equation. So sometime he asked this one in the previous exam. Equation of the plane through the midpoint. See here, midpoint of the join of A 4, 5 minus 10, B minus 1 to 1 and perpendicular to AB. So what he said here, do you know that this is A and this is B? There is a midpoint, no? He said like this. Okay, he said like this. This is the plane you are supposed to find because it is perpendicular. See, this is perpendicular to this one. It is like this. So very clear. See, we have to find what is that midpoint. Midpoint you have to find. What is the midpoint of this? 4 minus 1 by 2, 5 plus 2 by 2 and minus 10 minus plus 1 by 2. You got it here. 3 by 2, 7 by 2, minus 9 by 2. Right, this is C, we got it. But this is also we can say now. This is what normal, no? So AB is normal to plane. AB is normal to plane. So we can find drs of AB. Drs of AB you know very well. Minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 5, 1 plus 10. What is that? Minus 5 minus 3, 11. Drs we know and formula we have. A into x minus x1, B into y minus y1, C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Nana. So now A, this is ABC. You can say that ABC are this. So minus 5 x minus x1, 3 by 2. Okay, minus 3 y minus y1, 7 by 2. Okay, plus 11 z minus z1 plus 9 by 2 equal to 0. Or else you can write minus 10x plus 15. Here minus 6y plus 21. Here 22z plus 99 equal to 0. Simplify, we'll get the answer here. Right? This is. Now Okay, now we got it like this. Now you see here, okay, now we'll go for some other one, that is what line relatedly you see now. Few examples I did it. There are several examples are there. So few example, after discussing line, I'll discuss once again all the problems. Right, few examples I discuss like image, etc. I discuss here. So that you can, okay, some more examples, right, some more examples we'll do later. Now you see here, plane passing through 3-point mean directly you can write. Containing this 3 means directly you can do it. Direct formulas are there. You can lines relatedly you see now. Suppose a line is the equation of the line passing through x1, y1, z1 having drs are ABC. If he has given like this, we have the formula in this way: x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. What is that? Equation of the line passing through this and having drs ABC is like this. Suppose if he said that passing through 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, if it is, then at that time you are supposed to write like this. What is that? x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. This is the equation. You see, these two are linked with the vectors also, sir. What is that? In vectors also you have learned that find the vector equation of a line passing through a bar and parallel to some b bar means r bar is equal to a bar plus tb bar. We did it now. If you simplify, you will get this. And vector equation passing through 2 points a bar and b bar means we did it. R bar is equal to 1 minus t a bar plus tb bar. If you simplify, then you will get this one. Both are same, sir. Both are same here. Please remember, both are same. Some good point related to lines I am going to discuss now. See, suppose line equation is given. One line and one point is given. For example, let us say that here x2, y2, z2 is a point P. Okay, and line is given. That is that x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. One point, one line is given. At that time what we are supposed to do is, you see here, this is one thing is perpendicular distance you have to, he may ask, or he may ask foot of perpendicular, or he may ask image. For this we have to go for same procedure. See here, first thing is you better take here k. Working rule I am showing you guys. Working rule for finding perpendicular distance or foot of perpendicular or image. This is same, right? What is that? You see Nana. First, with a given line, you write here, this is the proper form of a line, is equal to k, you write and get the point. Say this is q. This is what our assumption. Say q is equal to ak plus x1, bk plus y1, ck plus z1. This is q Nana. 1 point. The next, after assuming this, you know very well that PQ is perpendicular. What is that? PQ is perpendicular to line. Line is 1. PQ is perpendicular to line. Therefore, second point is what? DRs of PQ you have to find. What is that? DRs of PQ. DRs of PQ means, you know very well, AK plus X1 minus X2, BK plus Y1 minus Y2, CK plus Z1 minus Z2. These are DRs. But when these two are perpendicular, you know very well that A into AK plus X1 minus X2, B into BK plus Y1 minus Y2, okay, plus C into CK plus Z1 minus Z2 equal to 0, sir. Equal to 0, sir, here equal to 0, Nana. Once you got it this, if you simplify, on simplifying you will get K. Say L. You better say some L. You got it. After simplifying this equation, you got it L. Now you can get it. Substitute what? K in Q, Nana. You will get Q. See, AL plus x1, BL plus y1, CL plus z1. Got it? This is nothing but what? Foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular of P on line. This is the procedure. What you have to do? First, take a point on the line. PQ is perpendicular to line. So, drs of PQ, get it? And perpendicular formula A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Using that, you can get it. And the next one is, you will get, after simplifying, you will get some value of K. That value substitute here. Finally, you will get the point. Once you got foot of perpendicular also, you got it. If they asked you perpendicular distance, very simple. Get PQ. What is that? Under root of AL plus x1 minus x2 whole square. Right? So you can write here just a sigma, right? So all the three you can write. Perpendicular distance, you got it. Now here image, if you want to find. So if you want to find image, third point, this is first point. Second point also we got it. Image you want to find, you see here image if you want to find, assume that R is x by z, and you write like this, Nana, x plus x2 by 2, okay, comma y plus y2 by 2, next z plus z2 by 2, which is equal to this q, Nana, which is equal to this q. So now after simplifying, you will get, I'll write one thing I'll write, 2 into AL plus x1 minus x2. You see, y is equal to 2 into BL plus y1 minus y2. Z is equal to 2 into CL plus z1 minus z2. You got it here, x, y, z. So we can find foot of perpendicular, we can find image, we can find perpendicular distance. When 1.1 line is given, at that time we can do, right? Okay, right. Now I'll move on to the next. Suppose if he has given here two lines, okay, what are the two lines? X1, see, x minus x1 by A1, y minus y1 by B1, z minus z1 by C1, one line, x minus x2 by A2, y minus y2 by B2, z minus z2 by C2. Two lines are given. How many questions they can ask on this? So these are the questions. First thing is, if they are parallel, if they are parallel. If they are parallel, what is the condition? A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. This is the condition. Second one is they are perpendicular. What is the condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Using this condition, you can, some constant they'll give, either this or this or this, any one of the constant they may give, and find, they'll say that lines are parallel, find the constant. Using this formula you can get it. Or if they said that perpendicular, using this formula you can get the answer. Second question. Third one is they may ask you to find point of, okay, angle between the lines also. What is that? Angle between the lines. That is what? Cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by sigma A1 square sigma A2 square, sir. Right? Using this formula, they may ask you the angle between the lines. You can get it. 3 questions you can solve like this. Now fourth one you see, they may, while giving the line, they may ask you that what is the point of intersection of the line, point of intersection of the lines. No, at that time don't get panic. You assume this is lambda and this is mu. So you will get point from the first line, A1 lambda plus x1, B1 lambda plus y1, C1 lambda plus z1. And from the second line you will get both are should be same, then only you can say that the point of intersection is same. What you have to do? A2 lambda plus x2, B2 lambda plus y2, and C2 lambda, sorry, not lambda, this time we have taken mu, some other constant, C2 mu plus z2, like this. And after this, what you have to do is, on comparing means x coordinate of this two are equated, lambda plus x1 is equal to A2 mu plus x2, or y coordinate b lambda plus y1, see b2 mu plus y2, or c1 lambda plus z1 is equal to c2 mu plus z2. You take any two equations, either this two or this two. For example, this one. After taking these two equations, get, okay, that means solve for lambda or else mu. You get either lambda, or you know very well how to solve the linear equation. Okay, two variable linear equation you know very well to solve. So lambda or mu, anyone you can get it. Suppose you got it lambda as L. You better substitute lambda value here. This is point of intersection at that time is a1 lambda plus x1, not lambda L. So b1 L plus y1, c1 L plus z1. This is your point of intersection. Don't have a confusion that something you got it m here. The point of intersection, you substitute mu value in the second one. So that time this both are what? Same. You will get same point because point of intersection is 1 only. So like this we will get 1. You substitute here, you will get it like this. So two lines are given means we come across till now. Okay, now at this stage till here we come across 4 points. Now some more are there, you see here. Now yes there. Yes guys, there is a chance to ask you like this. What? See here. Fifth one is they may ask you that shortest distance between these two lines. Okay, if they ask q lines, q line means what? You see this, neither parallel nor intersecting, right? If you see from their side, it looks like intersecting, but actually there is a gap. Okay, they never intersect, they not be parallel. So skew lines if it is skew line, you can find shortest distance. What is the shortest distance between these two means? Very simple, sir. Very simple, guys. You see here, you can use this formula. x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. Okay, here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 divided by ijk, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, like this. Sir, you have learned this formula. For example, r is equal to a bar plus tb bar, r is equal to c bar plus s d bar. If these are the lines, you have learned that sd is equal to, what is that? A minus c bd, box b cross d. The same thing, sir, same thing, but I wrote like this, right? I wrote like this, no problem. You can write like this also, right? One is this is nothing but this one, same. Suppose there is a chance to ask the questions like this. What is that? They may ask the question in this way. If they are coplanar, what is the condition? For coplanar, you remember only determinant, numerator, a1, a2, y1 minus y2, b1, b2, z1 minus z2, c1, c2 is equal to 0. That's it. Use this one, enough. If they are coplanar, nothing. They lie in a plane. Here, no plane is existed for these two lines, q lines. If they said that only lines, if they coplanar, if they said coplanar, at that time they are not skew line. They are just lines here. That's why people are going to, whenever you use the word here, shortest distance they will find like this. And they'll use, here coplanar means they'll use from this one, right? Now sixth point is over. Now seventh point you see in from this, if these two lines lies in a plane, what is the equation of the plane? So what I am saying that equation of the plane, they may ask you like this. Equation of the plane means, remember your choice, x minus x1 you write, or you can write x minus x2 chalta, right? Y minus y1, z minus z1, you will get the same answer. What I mean to say that you will get the same answer. C2 is equal to 0. You see here, either x1, y1, z1 you write, or x2, y2, z2 also you can write. Y2, z minus z2. Here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 equal to 0. Either this or this will definitely give the equation of the plane. We come across some good points related to two lines are given means 7 points I discuss. 7 point means 7 problems are, please remember that 7 problems we discuss. Now some more points are there. So working rule, I think I discuss here working rules, sir, not the formula, working rules, right? So like problems I did it all this, so please remember. Suppose guys you may have a doubt here. right, like this. If a line and a plane is given, x minus x1 by a1, right, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1, and the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is given. This is plane in this line. So line and plane given means how many cases are there? You see, there is a chance to say line is parallel to the plane. One is, the other one is line is perpendicular to the plane. This is normal, sir. Okay, this is normal. Okay, like this. The next one is, they may ask you that point of intersection, they may ask. Fourth one is, they may ask you, right, they may ask you angle between the plane and line. If it is theta, then it become what? 90 minus theta, because it is normal. Okay, one line, one plane is given like this. Another point is also there, I forgot it to write. Suppose if the line lies, see here, this condition I would like to write first. They are perpendicular, na? Only one. A1 plus B1 plus C1 equal to 0. Another, second case is if line is lies in this one. This is third, I'll say. This is fourth, I'll say, and this one is 5. If line is lies in this one, it has to satisfy two cases. What is that? Ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d equal to 0 along with this condition. Aa1, bb1, cc1 equal to 0. Okay, line lies in the plane, this condition. Okay, line is parallel, this condition. Line is perpendicular means you have to go for this condition. B by b1, c by c1, because these two are parallel. Right, these two are parallel. Now point of intersection you want to find, you put k, just you write here a1k plus x1, b1k plus y1, c1k plus z1. Get this one, assuming that here k, get this point, substitute in 2, get k value, right, get k value, and again substitute in this one, you will get the point of intersection. Now if he has given like this point here, angle between the plane and line means very simple. Angle between the plane and line means if it is theta, then it becomes 90 minus theta. Same formula, cos 90 minus theta. That's the reason people are going to say that sin theta. Don't get confusion. The angle between the plane and line means angle between the normal and line. Angle between the normal to the plane and the line. That's why we are getting like this, sin theta. That is a1 a2 plus b1. Okay, sorry, here a2 is not there, na? A1 plus b1 plus c1 divided by root sigma a square root sigma a1 square. You have to write like this. Okay, angle between the planes also like this we can do. Now plane and line is given. One IIT question is there that I'll explain here. If as a working rule I'll show you. Suppose if he has given like this, Nana, what is that? There is a line and a plane is like this. Okay, one plane is given, right, and like this. Suppose if he said this is the line 1 and this is plane, they'll say that find the distance. What is that? Find, see here, find the distance from P, somewhere P here, P x1, okay, P x2, y2, z2, they'll give the point. From P, along the line they'll say that, along the, from P to the plane, from P to the plane, along the line they'll say. Along the line means you see here, suppose if the line is like this, what you have to do is, you are supposed to find the parallel line, right? You are supposed to find the parallel line. How to find? Very simple. You can write x2 by, same as it is, a1, y minus y2 by b2, b1, not b2, b1, z minus z2 by c2. What I did here, find the distance from P to, sir, P to the plane, okay, plane, along the line, sir, along the line, if he said, do one thing, you write the parallel equation, draw the parallel line. Parallel line, how to do? take the point, the drs of that line is same as drs of this one. That's why I wrote like this. First step is this, right? After that, from this you can do, you can get a point q. What is that q? Say k. That is, you will get here a1k plus x2, b1k plus y2, c1k plus z2. You will get the point. Substitute q, see here, substitute q in the plane. After substitute, plane equation is this. In that plane, if you substitute this point, plane, that is what equation 2. Then solve, you will get k value. L, some L. That L you substitute again in q. Right? What I am saying here, you write a parallel line by taking the point drs of the given line. Write k and get the point. That point you substitute in the plane, you will get k value. That k value again you substitute in q, you will get the q. So now this is p and this is q. So distance means pq distance. By using distance formula, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. By using that you can, he asked this problem in IIT several times. So guys, one line, one plane is given means these are the 6 points. Please remember, these are the 6 points we discuss. Right? Let us go for the problems now. Slowly we'll solve one by one some problems based on this. I explained working rule. So most of the students ask me to explain the theoretical points. I explain as a working rule. Now it's the time to do the problems. Okay, some good problems definitely we'll select from this and we'll do. See guys, so planes and lines related problems I want to do now. Right, plane and line related problems definitely I would like to do now. Here you see the question is this one. I am taking the question in this way. See, the first one is given like this. The value of k so that the lines, see Nana, the lines x minus 1 by minus 3, y minus 2 by 2k, z minus 2 by 2, right, x minus 1 by 3k, y minus 5 by 1, z minus 6 by minus 5. Sir, why I did this? Because very clearly, let me say you, to boost your confidence level I am doing this. Right? Yes sir, please remember here second time we are doing it is like are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular sir, perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. If they said this, check it out whether the lines are in a proper form or not. X minus y, y minus z minus etc. Everything is proper. So now the solution is just you multiply 3k into minus 3, 2k into 1 and 2 into minus 5 is equal to 0, because they said that perpendicular a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is 0 sir. Minus 9k plus 2k 10. So k is equal to minus 10 by 7 you will get. The value of k is what? Minus 10 by k you are getting. Now you see another one. Second one is here he said the length. You see the length of the perpendicular drawn from 1 2 3 to the line x minus 6 by 3, y minus 7 by 2, z minus 7 by minus 2, right, is, see here once again I have taken the problem. So now as I said it to you that p is 1 2 3 as given, this q you have to find. The length of the perpendicular means foot of perpendicular you have to find. Image also, at that time also you have to find foot of perpendicular only. What I suggest you take k and get q. The q point is, see here, 3k. If it is, okay, 3k, right sir, 3k plus 6, right, 3k plus 6, 3k plus 6 and here 2k plus 7 and minus 2k plus 7. 2 2k plus 7 minus 2k plus 7, you got it here. Once you got it this, the point, and you know very well that PQ, drs of PQ. drs of PQ is 3k plus 6 minus 1, 2k plus 7 minus 2, minus 2k plus 7 minus 3. These are drs, we got it. Now PQ is perpendicular to line, you know very well. That means line drs are 3. This is 3k plus 5, right? And 2. Here 2k plus 5. Here minus 2. Yes sir. Minus 2k plus 4 sir. Is equal to 0. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 plus equal to 0 sir. C1 C2 is equal to 0. That by using that 9k plus 15, 4k plus 10 and plus 4k minus 8 equal to 0. So 9, 4, 13 and thus 4. 9 plus 8, 17k sir. Here 25, 8. This is also what? 17 equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 1, you got it. Right? K is equal to minus 1. As I said it to you that after getting the value of k, substitute in q. Substitute k in q. So you will get like this. So minus 3 plus 6. Here minus 2 plus 7. And here 2 plus 7. So finally 3, 5, 9. You got it? Foot of perpendicular 3, 5, 9. I'll rub this one. Right, 3, 5, 9, you got it. Now what he said, perpendicular distance is said, PQ. So you can use the distance formula to get the answer, sir. What is that? See, 1 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square and 3 minus 9 whole square. You got it here, 4 plus 9 plus here 25 under root of what you are getting here, sir? 4, 3, 5, yes 3, here it is 5, here it is 9. So 1 minus 3, 4 will get, and 2 minus 5, 9 sir, and the next 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 means 36 sir. So 49, that is what 7 you will get. Like this we can find the foot of perpendicular. You have to find for perpendicular distance, or image you have to go for this. Yes sir. Now I'll rub this. Okay, now you see there is a chance to ask the question in this way also. What is that? He has given the question like this. There is a chance to ask the question like this. The line x minus 2 by 3, y plus 1 by 2, z minus 1 by 1 intersecting the curve xy is equal to c square, z is equal to 0 if c is equal to dash. Very simple. Here you see x minus 2 by 3, y plus 1 by 2, z minus 1 by 1. I'll take some k solution. What I am doing here, z is equal to some k plus 1 I'll get, but that fellow has given z is equal to 0. 0 is equal to k plus 1 means k is equal to minus 1. I got it. And in this way, x is equal to 3k plus 2, y is equal to 2k minus 1 also there. But here xy is equal to c square is said. So 3k plus 2 and 2k minus 1 is equal to c square. Now you substitute k value. Minus 3 plus 2, this is minus 2 minus 1 c square. So c square is equal to 3 sir. C is equal to plus or minus root 3. Like this you can find. Okay, this is also one of the question. Now simply there is sometime what happened, they'll give the line equations. So like this, the angle between, see here, the angle between the lines 2x is equal to 3y is equal to minus z, and 6x minus y is equal to minus 4z. They'll give like this, 4z is there. Angle between the lines he said, angle between the lines. So very simple, you write in a proper form, divide this by 6, you will get x by 3, y by 2, z by minus 6. this divide with 12 chalega. X divided by 12 na 2, y divided by minus 12, z divided by minus 3. Because I divided this one by 12, this one is what? With 6. Now we got it proper form. That only I said it to you, that whenever you want to find the angle or something else, you please write the equation in a proper form, then afterwards go for it. So like this. Now cos theta, what is the angle between them is 3 into 2 plus 2 into minus 12 plus minus 6 into minus 3 under root of 9 plus 4 plus 36 under root of 4 plus 144 plus 3 sir, 9 sir. You see here 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24, this 24, 0. So cos theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to how much? 90 degrees. Got it or not? Yes. You see, once again. Right, sir? Now the next one. One more question I would like to take. They'll ask the question in this way also, plane relatedly. Find the, see here, equation of the line, okay, which can be drawn, which can be drawn from, see that, drawn from the point. What we have to find the equation of the line, we said, which can be drawn from the point minus 1, 3, minus 2, right, to intersect, see here, to intersect the lines, see Nana, the lines, to intersect the lines, okay, lines x plus 2 by minus 3, y minus 1 by 2 and z plus 1 by 5, another one x by 1, y by 2, z by 3 orthogonally. Okay, he said that orthogonally. See the question here, all of you see the question, right? That is, let us say one line is intersecting orthogonally. I can't say that these two are, but for a better idea, I have taken 1, 2 and this line is passing through minus 1, 3, minus 2. Only thing is we have to find drs. If you know the point and drs are there, means x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, you can write directly. To get drs, let us assume that drs of the line, what is that? Drs of the lines, line ABC I'll take. Because the line is going to cut this one perpendicularly, you will get two cases now for this line. Minus 3a plus 2b plus 5c equal to 0, 1 for the second line. A plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0, you will get. So you do one thing, a divided by minus b divided by c. Please write like this. It is easiest way I am showing you. How to get a, b, c values? First a minus b, c you write down. Right? And then afterwards, if you want to get the denominator of a, you close and go for cross multiplication. Only numbers. 2 3s are 6. Minus, if you multiply like this, minus is there. 10. Right? Now next one. B, close, and this one. Minus 9, minus 5, sir. Now close this one, minus 6, minus 2, sir. So a by minus 4, b by minus 14, c by minus 8, or a by 2, b by 7, c by 4. Now you have the point. So x plus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by 7, z minus 4 by, okay, z minus 4 by, sorry, z plus 2 by 4, you will get like this. This is the equation of the line, like this. One good question also, we did it. And next one, right, the next one is, suppose if we said that this one, x minus 2 by 1, the lines x minus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by 1, z minus 4 by minus k, and x minus 1 by k, y minus 4 by 2 and z minus 5 by 1 are, if he has given coplanar. As I said it to you that what to do. Sir, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 5. See sir, 1 1 minus k, k to 1 is equal to 0, right? You just expand. 1 you have, 2 na? 1, 2, yes. Here it is 1 plus 2k. This is minus of minus plus 1. Here 1 plus k square, right? Next one minus 1. Here 2 minus k equal to 0. So what you are getting here? You are getting here. So k square, you see here 1 plus 2k plus 1 plus k square and minus 2 plus k sir equal to 0. K square plus 3k minus k equal to 0. So k value is 0 or minus 3. You got it? 0 or minus 3. Got it here? See, wonderful question. Two lines are given, are coplanar. Just to go for this and you will get the solution. Is like this. Okay. Two more important questions are there. Let me discuss about that. Suppose if they ask like this, Nana, what is the question here? Shortest distance between the line. What is that? The shortest distance between the straight lines. If we said like this, x minus 6 by 1, 2 minus y by 2, z minus 2 by 2, x plus 4 by 3, y by minus 2, 1 minus z by 2. First of all, these are not in a proper. You write in a proper way. What is that? X minus 6 by 1, y minus 2 by minus 2, z minus 2 by 2. It is clear. Now, this is first term is okay. Second term is also okay. Third term is not clear. So, write like this, minus 2. Now, you know very well SD. What to do? You know very well. 6 minus of minus plus 4. 2 minus 0. Yes. And 2 minus 1. Yes. Okay. 1 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2 minus 2 divided by, you see here ijk, I am writing it is determinant. 1 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2 minus 2. You see here determinant and mod later. Now, what happened here? While expanding, you just expand, you will get the answer. Right? You expand, you will get the answer. Just you expand, you will get the answer, sir. Okay, hope so that I think you people have understood. Okay, if not, you will expand here like this, 10 into, this is 4 plus 4, minus 2 into, minus 2 minus 6, okay? And plus 1 into, minus 2 plus 6, plus 6 wholes, okay? Like this. And in this case, you are getting what? That I want to tell you. I into this one, 8, okay? J into minus 8. And k into 4, but mod is here, mod in this, like this, sir. That is what 40, 80, sir. Whereas here 16, whereas here plus 4 divided by under root of 64 plus 64 plus 16. This is your answer, right? In simplification, you will get the answer. 100 by, it is there, na? This is 100. 100 by, if you take 16 common, 4 will get outside. Here we have what? 4 plus 1. This is also 3. So answer is 25 by 3 is the answer. Okay, distance between, shortest distance between the lines means like this. Now, one more question is there. One more question is there. Okay, here suppose two lines are given. This is line 1, that is x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1, and x minus x2 by a2, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by c2. Two lines are given. Okay, if we said that find the equation of the line shortest distance between the lines, right? I am not getting the question here. That's why working rule I am explaining. Let us say this is shortest distance. Say that's P, this is Q. You take a point on this as Q, some K, and here it is some lambda. Okay, if I got the question, I think it is good. We'll search for that. Just 1 minute, I would like to search the question. sir. One question if I got, I think it is good. Let us see here. I'm going to just give me 1 minute time. I'll cross check. Sir. So what I suggest you, here I'm not getting, I'm unable to get that, right? If possible, definitely just 1 minute, 1 minute time is enough. Working rule, what you have to do is, shortest distance between the line, if you want to get, yes sir, some questions, shortest distance between the line, okay. I'm unable to get the exact numbers, I'm unable to get here. Okay. Okay, the shortest distance between the line numbers, okay, numbers, I got it. Right, here I got it here. One problem is there. You see here the equation. The equation of the line of shortest distance, okay, between the lines x plus 6 by minus 3, y plus 5 by 2 and is equal to z minus 10 by 4, z minus 10 by 4, z minus 1 by 24, yes sir. Another line is x minus x by 3, y minus 9 by minus 1, z minus 2 by 1. At last we got it. Right. Right. Okay sir. You see here. You are supposed to find the equation of the line of shortest distance between the lines. Yes. Let us say like this. This is the line you are supposed to find. Say P, this is Q. That only. Okay. Say P and Q sir. What I suggest you like this. So do one thing. P, say something K over here, right, and something mu in this case, you will get 2 points. So P point is like this sir. What is that? Minus 3k minus 6, 2k minus 5, 4k plus 10, you got it. And Q point is like this, 3 mu, yes, minus mu plus 9 and mu plus 2, you got it thus. Do one thing, drs of PQ, get it. What is that? 3 mu plus 3k plus 6 minus mu minus 9 minus 2k plus 5 and mu plus 2 minus 4k minus 10. These are drs of PQ. Right. drs of PQ. After getting drs of PQ, see this PQ is, what is the condition? PQ is perpendicular to 1, okay, and PQ is perpendicular to 2 none. See, this is one equation, this is second equation. PQ is perpendicular to 1, PQ is perpendicular to 2. That means you know very well that what we have to write for 1, minus 3 into this one, 3 mu plus 3k plus 6, okay, plus 2 into this, minus mu minus 2k plus 14. So next one is what? Some 4 into mu minus 4k minus 8 equal to 0. Nana. One equation, you got it. And after solving, you are going to get one equation in terms of lambda. What is get? Minus 3 mu and this one is there, means you will get here 3 mu, this is what? Minus 7 mu, 29 lambda is equal to something 22 you will get. Right, say this is what? Fourth equation. In the same way you take the second one. What is that? 3 into same 3 mu plus 3k plus 6, right, and minus 1 into minus mu plus minus 2k plus 14 and the next 1 into mu minus 4k minus 8 equal to 0. If you solve 3 minus plus 1 and this one, you will get 11 mu. 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11 mu, and plus 7 lambda is equal to 4, you will get, this is what, 5. Array, you see here 4 and 5, if you solve, you will get lambda is equal to minus 1 or mu is equal to 1. Lambda is equal to minus 1, mu is equal to 1. You substitute lambda and mu, you will get 2 points. Okay, for substituting, see here, substituting lambda is equal to minus 1, okay, you will get something minus 3, minus 7, 6 you will get. Substituting mu is equal to 1 in this one, no, mu is equal to 1 in the second one, you will get what, 3, 8, 3 you will get. Line passing through these 2 points means you know very well, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. See here, just you substitute, you will get the answer. Most probably you will get like this, x minus 3, x plus 3 by x2 minus x1, 6, and y plus 7 by 8 plus 7, and z minus 6 by minus 3, 1. Yeah, you will get it like this. 2 equations you will get, but okay, you can write any one of them. Okay, you can write like this. Chalega. Okay, sir, you got it, line equation like this. Wonderful question, guys. Please go through this. And one more point is the last one I have to do. Suppose working rule, I'll share you working rule so that you people do not have, because I have to search again for the formula expressing this problem. I don't have, okay, I have to search for the problem. Symmetric form, I have to go for symmetric form. Yes, sir, they will give like this, intersection of the plane, 4x plus 4y minus 5z, okay, minus 12 equal to 0 is equal to 8x plus 12y minus 13z minus 32. Either they will give like this, symmetric form, they'll ask like this, form of a line, they'll say like this, or else they'll give like this, the equation of the line of intersection of the planes. Line of intersection of the planes, they'll give like this, 4x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 12. Another one is 8x plus 12y 13z is equal to 32. They'll give like this. So very simple. They ask you to find this, this line you have to find. So what I'm saying here, you better take like this. Let drs of required line are what element? Drs of required line are element you take, right? Drs of required line is element you take down. Now the next one is, that line is, this one is perpendicular to line or not? Yes, these normals are what, perpendicular to line or not? Yes, sir, definitely these are perpendicular. So we will get in this way, what is that? L4 plus M4 plus minus N5 is equal to 0, 1. Another one, L8 M12 N13 minus is there like this. Now you will get L divided by minus M divided by N divided by, right? You will get like this, right? In this one, what happened here? 4 13 4s minus 52 plus 60, right? 60. The next one is minus 40, right? Minus 52 plus 40, sir. And next here it is 48 minus 32, sir. Okay, 48 32, we got it here like this. Once you got it this, okay, this one is L by 8, M by, okay, 12, N by again 16, sir, 16, 8 1s are 8 2s are 8, 4 2s are 4 3s are 4 4s are, like this we got it. Element we got it. For point, let z is equal to 0 you take and substitute in this one. What is that? 4x plus 4y z is not there, 12. Another one is 8x plus 12y, z is not there, 32. You solve this. While solving, you will get here some y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 you will get. And you have point is what? 1, 2, 0, sir. 1, 2, 0, point is also we got it from this, right? So x minus 1 by 2, y minus 2 by 3, z minus 0 by 4. Like this we can find. Okay. Guys, I tried my level best to give maximum information related to 3D. Some good questions also I discussed, right? Sir, I shown to you that one previous question also. I shown to you that one point, one line is given, plane is given parallel to that. Working rule I explained, but problem, problem you can do easily. So please remember, try to do this. These are I tried my level best to give maximum number of questions. Okay, points to discuss. Right, these are very important point I discuss. So I think all the best, guys.